Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I come with a recipe which is very popular on the festival of Diwali and made in every household, crispy, crunchy and tasty and loved by all. My favorite, that is Shakkarpara. So let's get started. In a bowl, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. Add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Then add 1/4 cup of lukewarm milk into 1/4 cup of melted ghee. Mix well. And add to the flour, mix with a spoon. Then using your hands, knead it into a firm dough. You can add a tablespoon or 2 of warm milk if you find the dough is a little dry. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Set aside for few minutes. Now roll the dough out with a sprinkle of flour into about 1/4 inch thickness. Trim the edges. And cut into diamond shape with a pizza cutter or knife. Transfer to a plate. Our Shakarpara is ready to be fried. Place a kadai on the stove with oil enough to deep fry the Shakkarparas. Turn on the stove, let the oil heat and keep the flame on low. Then drop a piece into the oil to check the heat. Drop the remaining pieces one by one into the warm oil and cook on a low flame. Do not stir for a minute. Then lightly stir it and fry till it starts getting golden brown. Remove from the oil with the help of a jhara or spoon onto a plate. Fry the remaining Shakarpara in the same way. Our crispy, crunchy and very tasty Shakkarpara is ready. Do try this recipe on Diwali and other occasions for your family and friends. If you like the recipe, do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.